A man walks into court with a baby on his lap and admits he's driving illegally because he quit his job to become a stay-at-home dad. That's not your typical traffic court excuse, but this judge actually listens. Tristan Guzman faces fines for no insurance and expired tabs in a 2026 Michigan court hearing that turns into something unexpectedly human.
Good day. Tristan Guzman.
I'm here on Zoom as well. Sorry, I have my kid.
Yeah, looks like you're babysitting today.
Nah, I had to become a stay-at-home dad. Not gonna lie.
Okay.
I want kind of the reason why, as on my ticket, no insurance and uh, expired tabs, I believe. It's
Yep.
kind of hit not a pothole. I was trying to make I didn't have the money to take care of them, and I just came from a paternity, and then my girl had to go back to work, and then we haven't found a day struggling take care of stuff. So yeah, I'm definitely
Okay.
I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah. So you still don't have insurance and tabs yet, is that correct?
Basically, because I was trying to fix my car at the time. I was trying
Yeah.
to get it like low, because I'm not gonna lie, my car is like really low, and I was enjoying my non-father life. Like, yeah, I can drive a cool car, and I was like, oh, now I got a miracle right here, and I'm like, man, I need to step up. I need to take care of him, and I got hit with all of those. I was like, man, now I gotta kind of decide like which one I need to take care of first, and I'm just I'm trying to prioritize him as much as I can, and still learning how to be a dad. I'm pretty sure get told that a lot, but I'm trying.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Way to go. I applaud your priorities.
Traffic courts have enormous discretion to reduce fines or convert them to community service. There's no fixed price for justice here. The judge isn't following a rigid formula. She's weighing whether punishment or flexibility better serves public safety and this family's stability. Most defendants never realize they can explain their circumstances and ask for alternatives.
So first of all, you any relation
Marcy? No.
Marcy Guzman?
No.
She used
I
to
think
work here.
okay. Yeah, I get questions like that, like, oh, you related to so and so Guzman? I'm like, no, I'm actually from Guam, starting a new life out here.
Okay. All right. So when do you think you'll be able to afford the insurance and the tabs?
That's the thing. I'm not quite sure just because I stepped down from my job so I can help take care of him. Since
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie, my girl's the breadwinner here, and I'm like, I'm not
that's
gonna
okay.
ask I'm not gonna ask her to step down from her career just to like
Right.
so I can keep mine. And even though I don't even make much, so I was like, let me
Okay.
go.
So let me ask you this. If I give you 3 months to actually, pardon me, get insurance and tabs, is that a realistic estimate that you could have your insurance and tabs by then?
I think I can do the tabs. I'm trying to figure out insurance because currently I'm not even trying to drive my car. See, when I drove my car that time, I was trying to like finish up like my last week of work, and I was like, this, I know she needed the car. I don't live too far from work. Let me just try to get my days out. Let me just like, as long as I'm
Yeah.
following the speed limit, I'm just, I was just trying to make it home and back. And I was trying to like, I know she needed the car and we're like in tight spots. And I was like, I'm so sorry, man. I'm so stuttery.
No, that's okay. So does your partner have insurance?
Yeah, she has insurance, but
Okay.
she be using the car just because my car is down. I'm like, I try not to
Right.
bother about that,
Okay. And so she's driving her own car?
Well, sitting.
Yeah. But she has insurance on her car and she has tabs on her car, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to assume, since you guys are a family, that that's the car you would use because you know you can't use your car without the tabs. So I'll
Whenever,
find that you actually have insurance and have correct tabs. And that allows me to give you a big break on the fines here. So I would reduce the fines here from on the insurance down to $200 from $564, and on the expired tabs down to $125. So it'll be a total of $325, which I would then tell you you could work off by 16 hours of community service if you wanted to do that, or you can make arrangements to pay that.
all right, I'll try to make arrangements to pay that, and I'll talk to my girl if there's any way I can do like community service to like help that out. But right now, I'm just like I'm trying to make sure I can stay home with the kid while she's at work, and I'm also a stepdad as well to 3 other kids, so life is pretty crazy.
Yeah. Okay. $100 here.
Definitely,
So,
I appreciate that.
and what you don't want to do is get stopped again for no insurance and expired tabs. So don't drive until you have that taken care of.
Yes, definitely.
Because your partner has tabs for you in those two.
No, of course, definitely, and I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Yep. So just right now, what you need to do is in the next 30 days. All right.
The judge reduces Guzman's fines from $664 to $325, cutting the no insurance penalty from $564 to $200 and expired tabs from $195 to $125. She offers him 16 hours of community service as an alternative to payment, gives him 30 days to comply, and explicitly warns him not to drive until his car is legal. Guzman remains out of custody with a payment plan arrangement. Courts aren't vending machines. Judges can rewrite the price tag when circumstances warrant it. Showing up, telling the truth, and demonstrating real effort can transform a crushing fine into something survivable. The law gives room for mercy. Most people never think to ask. Subscribe for more real courtroom moments that show how the legal system actually works.